brought the boat out right here, and we are gonna fish this pond right here. You may recognize it from my Bowfin video, where this was the spot that was apparently going to be part 2, but we're actually going to try to target some bass today, and we're going to see if we can catch anything on the boat in this pond right here. Let's do this. Strangely, the first thing that I see as I get here is a dead bowfin head right here, the body of a gar, another full skeleton of a gar, another dead bowfin, the head of a gar, and more other scattered fish parts. But hopefully that doesn't mean everything's dead in here. And I don't know what could have done that. Could have been like a bird or some evil person. But let's get fishing. Oh. I almost fell over. I think we found deep water. Maybe. This might be deep. We're watching him. You got one? Oh yeah. Oh jeez.
Oh my God, what is it?
Oh, it's right there.
Oh my God.
It was right there. That was big. What
was it?
I don't know. I think it was a bowfin.
Yeah.
He was right there. He was right there.
I think you're right.
That was a
Oh my God,
bowfin.
that was big.
Dude, you should have fought him. I always got the net out right there.
Dang it.
Next time we need to get the net out, like right here.
I forgot about.
Okay.
10-pounder, just lazy, goes right by his mouth. Can we get that one?
I've got one. Jeez. Bass! Oh!
You got him.
Yeah!
Good little bass. I like the color.
Nice. Look at this bass. Oh wait. Oh yeah, we're filming. Dang, he's fat. Look at this dark bass. This is what happens to bass when they're like in all the structure.
How far under did you get him?
Not too far. Jeez. This guy's slimy. Nice little bass on the Senko. He's a chunky dude.
Turned on.
It's only 14 ounces. But who cares? He's still chunky though, like he must be feeding. Bass out here. Let's get a release. Yeah, it sure is nice to know we've got bass in here. Oh dang, that's a good one. It's bigger than some of them we've seen. I'll just have to wait for it to sink. Oh, you have a fish! Fish on! That's a bass! Oh, it's a good one!
Nice! Oh, what's the thing? I lost it!
What?
The first cast that...
No, it's right here.
Oh, cool.
I can't see. Okay, there we go. Okay, I can kind of see it with the camera. Okay, yeah, there we go. Yes! 2 fish in the boat. 2 bass, too, surprisingly. It says it's 8 foot here. It's 9 foot. Yeah, it's just showing tons of grass here. Oh, gar, back in here.
No.
Look at him, look at him.
Okay, hurry, fix it.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna get the net. He's coming towards us. Fix it. Oh, there's 2. Whoa, what is that? Bowfin. Did he eat it? Oh, he let go. Look, he's in the dirt. He blends in. He's right here. What is that? That's gotta be a snakehead? Did he bite it? He bit it? He's right here. He ate it! It's in his mouth.
You got the net. Get the net.
It's on camera.
Get the net.
He has me under something. He's under this. I'm stuck. Oh God, is he under there too?
Don't pull too much, man. Don't break it. I'm gonna help you when I get this.
I don't know if I'm stuck under there. That's the biggest jump I've ever seen a fish do. Okay, dude, he's under here.
Okay, hold on.
I don't know if the fish is still on.
I can see that. Get out.
Oh, he's on, he's on. He's gonna break my rod.
You can't tie with your left hand. Bowfin?
Yeah. Holy cow. What is that? Oh, 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 oh.